Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do mandala dot painting. Mandala means circles, circles that represent universe. Here I'm using a MDF board and applying black acrylic color on it. With a flat brush, mandala painting is an ancient painting. It's followed by both Hinduism and Buddhist culture and made by spiritual and visual geometry. I do not relating with any religion, okay? It is very simple painting and very easy to make. This I completed. Yes, there is. Okay, now let's wait for dry and paint another coat in the opposite direction. It will give a fancy look base. It is very simple. I can say something simple which you make easily and with limited supplies. Okay, so I am almost completed, and after perfectly dried, leave a margin of 2 inches from the bottom, placing the okay. Yes, draw a circle equal to the length of your canvas or cardboard, whatever you're using. Now using protector, divide the circle in 30 equal parts. Mark each inches in this. Okay. Join all the points to the center. Like what I'm doing. You can use white color pencil or any light color pencil. For dot mandala painting, there are many tools available in art supply shop. Here I am using some homemade, you can say, art tools. I will show you before each part of the video what type of brush or tool I'll use and what brush size will I use. See, there they are made by old brushes with a small point to a larger one. I am using white acrylic color plate. I am using first tool brush and make a dot in center. And then fill, I will show you before each part. Okay, now we are going to make dots, very little dots and equal to everything around. Okay, Now we change to a larger brush size or tool size, and we are going to do light pink color. With a mixing of crimson red and white color, white acrylic color, slightly larger dots. The trick so that the dot goes well, it is to load the brush with a lot of paint. Always when we make dots with a brush or tool, much more paint is needed than if we made them with the dots tool, sorry. You can use any toothpick, stick, manicure stick, or with wooden sticks, etc. I hope you are able to see the dot placement clear. Please feel free to pause and work along. Now I am taking to tool number 3, which is slightly bigger than number 2. Dip this into the paint and place the dot between two dots like I am doing. Sure, repeat this process. Next tool is number 4, and you know the process. Now D for dip that in paint in dot between dot process. Sometimes our hands start to shake, and it is because we are not holding it right and don't have enough grip. So use this teeny little finger as support and paint along. You can see here how I am using it to support. See how beautiful the pattern is turning out to be. Now I am using slightly bigger tool. And repeating dip into color and dot between dot process. Make sure the distance is same everywhere. And advice is that when you put the dots, be aware not be very close, because if you can see the first two dot I have done, the painting has come together because they were too close together, and this painting is quite liquid. Always keep in mind that they are together but not so close. The two paint droplets come together, and here again equal big dots. Hey, do you know an amazing thing about dot painting is that you can create a whole painting from a simple pattern all by itself, just like this one. Additionally, what you can do is that you can cover up places where it is empty using small tools. But this is optional, totally optional. I'm making dots with tool number 5. See how beautiful is. Make sure the distance is same everywhere. Now number 6. And you know what we are supposed to do? Now we are going to make dots a little bit bigger, equal to everything around. You can see. Yes. Now we change tool number, next tool number or tool size bigger, and we are going to do slightly larger dots. Dots between dot process. Make sure the dots placed equally. You can use any of color, multicolor or with a monochrome technique, whatever you like. Patterns can differ. I am showing the very basic pattern. I am using a stick, glue gun stick. You can see whatever is round or flat surface you can use. Here I am using proper red color. Now pink to red. It's looking beautiful, isn't it? Yes. Now in this part we are going to do very small dots around. Here we are going to do 3 dots with white paint. Dot between dot. In each layer you can experiment with white color. You have to do it very carefully and with great patience. That is the trick, a lot of paint and slowly and with patience you get the perfect dot. Here you see. The first dot a little bigger and the other two smaller. And repeat the process in between all circles, all dots in second last layer. Okay. Very carefully. And last layer I'm using like outline with small, very small little dots like a leafy outlining. Be aware for placing these dots because they are very smaller all around. After this, I am using slightly bigger dot in between the circles, the outer circles. Once you are done, let it dry. Once it is completely dried, it is ready. So this is now complete. Hope you liked the video. Please do like, follow and subscribe to us on Facebook and YouTube. Thank you.